Good evening everyone, this is Teacher L. Today we're going to learn about subtraction of mixed number. As a recap, on our previous lesson, maalala natin ang mga numbers like 2 and 1, we called it as a whole number. Tapos yung 2 over 4 or 1 over 4, that is our fraction. So for our first example, we have 2 and 2 over 4 minus 1 and 1 over 4. So for our first solution, first we subtract the whole numbers. That is 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1. Then we proceed to our fractions. So as you can see, ang fraction natin is 2 over 4 and 1 over 4. So they are similar fraction because their denominator is the same. So for this fraction, we just subtract the numerator. So that is 2 minus 1. That is 1, tapos copy lang natin yung denominator na 4. Itong 4 at ito. So that is 4. So for this example, our answer is 1 over 4. So let's proceed for our second example. We have 6 and 4 over 5 minus 1 over 5. So for our solution, since isa lang yung whole number natin, which is 6 lang, wala tayong whole number dito na side. So copy lang natin yung whole number na 6. That is 6. Then we proceed sa kanilang fractions. So like dito sa example number 1 natin, yung kanilang fraction is similar dahil yung kanilang denominator is magkapareha. So we just subtract the numerator. So that is 4 minus 1, that is 3. Tapos copy lang natin yung denominator na 5. So that is 6 and 3 over 5. So this is our answer. For our third example, we have 5 and 5 over 7 minus 3 and 1 over 7. So for our solution, first we subtract the whole numbers. So that is 5 and 3. So 5 minus 3, that is 2. Tapos we proceed sa kanilang fractions. Like sa previous example natin, ito ay similar fraction. Minus na natin yung numerator. So that is 5 minus 1, that is 4. Tapos copy lang natin yung denominator na 7 since they are similar fraction. So for this example, our answer is 2 and 4 over 7. For our fourth example, we have 4 and 1 over 2 minus 2 and 1 over 8. So for our solution, first, we subtract the whole numbers. That is 4 minus 2. That is 2. Tapos, since yung kanilang fraction is dissimilar fraction, kasi yung kanilang denominator is magkaiba, we have 2 and 8. So, iba yung process ng pag-subtract ng fraction. So, we multiply first the denominator, that is 2 times 8, that is 16. Tapos, we cross multiply 1 times 8, that is 8. Tapos, 2 and 1, that is 2. Tapos, insert lang natin yung subtraction sign dito sa gitna since ito ay subtraction ng mixed number. Tapos, we simplify. First, copy natin yung whole number na 2. Tapos, 8 minus 2, that is 6. Tapos, copy lang natin yung denominator na 16. So, 6 over 16 is divisible by 2. So, pwede siyang ma-divide ng 2. So, that is 2 and 3 over 8. Because 6 divide 2, that is 3. Tapos, yung 16 divide 2, that is 8. So, for this example, our answer is 2 and 3 over 8. So, for our fifth example, we have 6 and 2 over 5 minus 4 and 1 over 6. So, for this example, first we subtract the whole numbers, that is 6 minus 4, that is 2. Tapos, since this is a dissimilar fraction, we multiply the denominator. So, that is 5 times 6, that is 30 as our denominator. Tapos, we cross multiply, that is 2 times 6, that is 12. Tapos, 5 times 1, that is 5. Then, add lang natin yung subtraction sign in between. So that is 12 minus 5. We simplify. Copy lang natin yung whole number na 2. Tapos, subtract lang natin yung 12 minus 5. So that is 7. Tapos, copy lang natin yung denominator na 30. So, since 7 over 30 is cannot be simplified, so this would be our answer. 2 and 7 over 30. For our last example, we have 15 and 2 over 5 minus 9 and 1 over 6. So, for our solution, subtract muna natin yung mga whole numbers. That is 15 and 9. So, 15 minus 9, that is 6. Then, we'll proceed sa kanilang fractions. So, we have 2 over 5 and 1 over 6. So, ito ay dissimilar fraction. So, we multiply the denominator. So, that is 5 times 6. That is 30. Tapos, we cross multiply. We multiply 2 times 6. That is 12. Tapos, 5 times 1. That is 5. Tapos, copy lang natin yung subtraction sign. So, that is 12 minus 5. Tapos, we simplify. Copy natin yung whole number na 6. Tapos, 12 minus 5, that is 7. And we copy the denominator, 30. So, 7 over 30 cannot be simplified. So, this would be our answer. Kung nahihirapan kang mag-subtract ng similar at dissimilar fraction, like this one, punta ka lang sa mga previous video ko dahil diniscuss ko doon kung paano mag-subtract ng dissimilar at similar fraction. Don't forget to follow and share. Thank you.